This is the final video to fix the continuous sign-in required pop-up on Windows. Are you also facing the problem where Windows keeps asking you to sign in again and again? It can be really annoying, especially when you're working or browsing and the pop-up just keeps appearing. Here's why it happens. This issue usually occurs because of corrupted account settings, outdated Windows updates, or problems with your Microsoft account syncing. You may have seen many solutions on YouTube or Facebook, but most of them are complicated and hard to follow. When I faced this problem, I found a simple trick that worked immediately. Here's a normal solution you can try. First, open Settings, go to Accounts, and then select your info. Make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. If needed, sign out and sign back in. Next, go to Email and Accounts and remove any duplicate or unused accounts. Finally, restart your PC and see if the pop-up stops appearing. For most users, this stops the endless sign-in prompts. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing all ways to fix the continuous sign-in required pop-up on Windows, comment down below.